To implement the 4D and 5D, I would say start with MVP, start with minimum value product, especially if you are working with a client or a company, they have no experience with this before. Because you'll listen to a lot of funny words there. Because, looking nice animation. And so start with something just to prove the concept. I would say as well, start with their problems. Solve them something they really need. Instead of just showing something very nice and fancy or nice
lovely
looking
colors and
if you solve this problem, I tell you something, you will bring you to every meeting because you're seeing you as a problem solver and someone he could think out the box rather than someone useless just doing a fancy 4D scenes and 5D. Going back, I would say how was the advice in starting engage the team. Make sure that you have a big picture or the roadmap, how it's gonna look like at the end, and learn from your previous challenges. I'm trying to tell something here. If this company never started doing anything related to the 4D or this kind of stuff, and you are there, and they don't have a structured way to store their problems and how they work on site, and it's a good start to tell them that this is the construction methodology here and there, and you go and get feedback, start streamline the process to get this feedback and showing them how we could do better from your perspective, but trying to get the buy-in from the guys working with you. Remember, it's about the process, not about the product. If you engage them, you got more value things here, more further as well, starting to select a suitable 4D tool for your work. The reason is, it's just we're using this tool because our company paying for that part of the package we are paying. Sometimes this tool might be something web-based. You don't need to have the very desktop heavy softwares and this kind of stuff. It's just simple web-based application can solve you. Sometimes, like when you talk about the 4D and this 5D, we have a very well known things using people using that because this is what we know. Doing kind of a digital assessment of this is a good takeaway as well for the company in the beginning to understand the needs, understand where is the shortage, where is the advanced things you are doing. If that might be the good things he know from digital assessment, that they have a lot of people have this experience in the 4D or the 5D, but they didn't use it because the company approach at this time we're not going for that far.
I think that's an interesting point because there's a lot of people out there really interested in developing their skills on the 4D and 5D concept in execution, but the companies that they're currently working for don't have the appetite for it, and they're kind of struggling internally then because they want to do something different and it's business as usual within the organizations. There's lots of opportunity out there. With young companies like yourselves, you're looking for good people that are really interested in and engage in this type of stuff. So reach out to Omar. He'll start it out for you.
I'm telling you something funny here. When I started, I'll tell you again, for my first early project was big enough, and I have learned the 4D at this time. I was certified by 2015, so within 2 years I got the good concept. So I've tried to implement that to any new project. After 2 or 3 years there, I have been working. I went back to work with the HQ. So not only assigned on a specific project, it's all the project
portfolio.
All the portfolio. So it depends where you are. So part of the project we work on, I try and just implement the 4D for no reason. Oh, guys, it's nice. We did it there. Just pushing, just doing. This is good to take away here. If you have good 5 suits, nice look, and you have one occasion, you just pick the one that suits you to this day. You don't choose them all.
No.
What I'm trying to recall here is when you go for another project, don't recall the same success you did in the previous one. Understand the project needs first. Understand the people mentality and people skills first. And start with the MVP that telling them, oh guys, we could do that, and this will help you to solve 1, 2, 3, and start getting the buy-in to go further.